If you are a bowler, a bowling ball is one of the single most crucial pieces of equipment determining your performance in the alley. A bowling ball is a piece of sporting equipment used to hit bowling pins in the sport of bowling. The ball will interact with every element in the game of bowling. There are many factors to consider when purchasing a bowling ball, including size, weight, cover stock, core, price, and your amount of bowling experience. So if you're interested in buying one, then these are some of the best available in the business. Let's begin our list with the Motive Venom Cobra. It uses a new hybrid reactive cover stock that offers unique chemistry, enhancing the shelf life of this ball and improving performance even more. The ball has a 5,500 grit SLP finish, which lets it skid cleanly through the front end of the lane and retain enough energy to push through the back end with a lot of friction. Its new dual density weight block acts as the strong point of this ball. Also, the weight enhances all variables of ball motion to give you consistent shots. This ball provides excellent angular ball motion in such a way that you can hit the bottom of the swing without it overreacting. Moreover, this ball offers unique angular ball motion in such a way that you can hit the bottom of the swing without it exaggerating. The Hammer Black Widow Legend Bowling Ball is designed to be used by professional bowlers. It is made with a gas mask core, and this provides you with excellent movement on the lanes. The ball features a hybrid cover stock, giving you the ability to control hooking potential, and it works best on medium to heavy oil lanes for the movement. It comes with an aggressive polished cover, along with the most successful core in bowling history, the legendary gas mask core, which provides incredible movement on the back end and through the pins. It features flex resin and carbon fiber, which makes it one of the most robust balls in bowling. This 15-pound bowling ball is the first offering in the Black Widow line to use a hybrid cover stock. On the other hand, it has proven ideal for strong to mid-lane action and delivers a massive backhand. Next on the list we have Columbia 300 Nitrous. This bowling ball features a two-piece core designed symmetrically to make the ball a little better in terms of balance. The two-piece nitrous core design offers predictability without sacrificing hitting power, while the new Boost R cover provides the gripping power needed on medium to light oil patterns. It uses a new symmetrical core design that offers a lower RG and slightly lower differential than the Deep Freeze. Also, it comes with a new cover stock that will give bowlers more back-end reaction and total hook. Up next on the list we have Hammer Gauntlet. This bowling ball was designed for heavy oil. It is finished with a 2000 Abralon pad, which gives the ball a dull surface to pick up in the oil. It takes the hybrid version of the proven Semtex CFI cover stock and pairs it with the all-new Gauntlet asymmetric core. It is designed for heavy oil conditions and was made to be aggressive at the mid-lane as well as the back end. On the other hand, it features Hammer's patent-pending carbon fiber infusion in both the outer core and the cover stock, making the Gauntlet one of the most robust, most durable balls on the planet. The Brunswick Rhino comes with a new R16 reactive cover stock that uses the latest formulation, providing a perfect balance between power and control. Also, it produces comfortable length and back-end hook motion without extreme sensitivity to the dry and oily parts of the lane. Its traditional light bulb core shape delivers outstanding ball motion and impressive pin action for more strikes and higher scores. Moreover, it can be drilled using the standard drilling techniques developed for symmetric bowling balls. On the other hand, the unique core shape of each ball is used for weights from 12 to 16 pounds. The Pyramid Path Rising Pearl offers a new era 139 core that provides a wide variety of drilling options for bowlers of all styles and types. It ranges from the conventional strong roll / active backhand layout, skid / flip, or the cutting edge triangle layout. Also, the Path Reactive Pearl coverstock allows for a medium aggressive coefficient of friction of the backhand. It's perfect for medium to light oil conditions and can accommodate from stroker bowlers to high rev two-handed bowlers with precision and forgiveness. Moreover, it allows bowlers of any style and a wide range of skill levels to achieve their peak performance on medium to medium dry lane conditions. The next product on the list is the Storm Timeless. It comes with an aromatherapy fragrance, which is quite famous for Storm bowling balls. It uses the unique dual drive core and partners it with the fantastic R2S coverstock. The dual drive core is a weight block within a weight block. These two weight blocks work together to create a ball core that generates faster revving action and a more significant amount of energy transmission at the pins. It offers an R2S hybrid reactive coverstock that glides through the front of the lane and then reacts to the back end with a unique motion. Also, the outer weight block incorporates strategically placed geometric shapes that work in conjunction with the inner weight block. However, it establishes a new standard in bowling ball motion: faster revving action with a higher level of energy transfer at the pins. The Ebonite Maxim comes with a pancake core, making it ideal for straight shots when combined with the polyester coverstock. It features a 3-piece core design, meant to offer a great balance to the unit while it is in use. Also, it has been built with a polyester coverstock, making it the perfect ball for all your games. This ball glows under the blacklight, and it is an excellent choice for recreational players. Further, it is a bowling ball that is great for learning all the basics of bowling, and is also the perfect unit for slow improvement and growth into the sport. The video description below contains all the additional information on our featured products. You can also find the buying links for them there. Second last on the list, we have Brunswick TZone. This bowling ball is another top quality bowling ball with a pancake core that is designed to simplify life for you as a beginner or newcomer to the game. It also features polyester coverstock, making it the best for straight shots. With the added hook potential, the ball also becomes sufficient for playing on oily surfaces, and should give you that late hook that can be seen in many of the professional games. It is also a really affordable ball, making it ideal for children of all ages to get the best possible results and value for money. Finally, at the top of the list, we have Pyramid Path. This ball features pyramid technology and can also be found in multiple different colors that could meet your needs. It comes with several size variations ranging from 6 pounds to 16 pounds, which makes it an excellent fit for people of all ages and skill levels. Also, the coverstock helps it perform exceptionally well on dry lanes, and it's excellent for throwing straight shots. It is equipped with a pancake weight block core that offers superb controllability for beginners. Along with superior performance, this ball also comes with charming looks. However, it's not only suitable for beginners, but also a great addition as a spare ball in an advanced player's collection. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a great day.